These questions are somewhat similar to those in the consumer arithmetic assignments that I gave to you, and they should help you work out those questions in the assignment. Let's look at this. 1. $500,000 is deposited in a savings account and remains there for 2 years. If the bank offers a compound interest rate of 3% per annum on the account, calculate how much money is in the account after the 2-year period. Alright. So the principal is $500,000. That's the amount invested. The rate is 3%. The time is 2 years. Now, say year 1 or interest 1. The first interest paid is going to be 3% of 500,000 equal. That's what? 3, 5, 15, 15. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. That's $15,000. You get $15,000 on the first, after the first year. That's the first interest payment. Now the amount you have is the $500,000 plus the $15,000. So that will be $515,000. Good. Now, interest 2. When you get the second interest, that's the end of year 2, second year, is going to be 3% off $515,000. Remember, in compound interest, the interest is added to the amount, and the new interest now, the next interest is paid, is calculated based on the amount there now. It's not like simple interest where they give you the interest in cash or transfer it to some other account and keep it fixed. Right? This is not a fixed deposit. This is compound interest, so the interest is added to the amount you have. So here now, it's going to be, cancel down the 100, 3 times 515. Alright, 3 multiplied by this 5150 times 3. That's going to be 3003515. Bring down the 5, carry 1, 3, 1, 3, and 1, 4, 3, 5, 15. 15, 450. Right? So that's what you will get. It's going to be $15,450 you get on the second interest. So the amount that you have money, what did he say you should calculate again? How much money is in the account, right? The amount of money in the account now is going to be, what was there before? 515,000 plus the interest of 15,450. So you have 0, 5, and 0, 5, 4, and 0, 4, 5, and 5, 10, bring down the 0, carry 1, 1, and 1, 2, and 1, 3, 5, and 0, 5. So it's going to be $530,450. Right? So that's what you have there. Let us move on to the next question. Next question. Oh, what happened here? What happened a while ago? The thing just jumped up like that. Anyway, I'm glad nothing is deleted. Okay, good. Now, this question says, the GCT, that's General Consumption Tax, has a rate of 15%. What is the total amount of money that a customer must pay for buying 15 bags of cement for $1,100 each? Or each of No, that costs this GCT, each of them costs $1,100 plus GCT. All right. So you could calculate GCT on one and then multiply by 15, or you could just multiply the money by 15 then calculate a GCT, whichever one you want. Suppose I calculate a GCT on one because I want to know exactly how much each is. I'm going to have the GCT is equal to 15% of $1,100. It's going to be 15 by 11. 15 by 10 is 150, and 15 by 10 is 1. 15 by 10 is 150. 15 by 1 is 15. So if you multiply 15 by 11, you have 165. So the tax is 165. So the total for each is $1,100 plus $165 tax. That gives you $1,265 you must pay for each. Now it's 15 of them that the customer buys. So you will have the total of 1,265 times 15. How much is that? Let's just deal with the calculator. So that's going to be 1265 by 15, giving you 18,975. 18,975. You're gonna pay $18,975. All right, good. Let's continue. Go up to here. An employee is paid $35,000 for a 40-hour work week and time and a half for overtime. How much is the pay for working 45 hours during a certain week? All right. You know that the 40 hours out of it is 40 hours regular, and that's for $35,000, the regular pay. But you have 5 hours overtime. Now you need to find out how much money the employees pay for each hour. Then multiply that by 1.5, because it's time and a half, to find how much money per hour overtime, and then multiply it by 5. Now, $35,000 divided by 40 hours, it will be like 3,5/4. So if you have 3,500 divided by 4, that will be $875 a hour, right? So $875 per hour. So $875 per hour. So that's $35,000 for 40-hour work week. Now the thing is, that is the amount for regular hours. What about overtime hours? Overtime rate, call it OT rate, is 875 times 1.5, time and a half. So let's do that. Multiplied by 1.5 gives you 1312.5. So that's 1312.5. $1,312.50 per hour overtime. So 5 multiplied by the 1312.5 will give you how much money over time for the 5 hours over time. So if you multiply that by 5, you're going to get 62.5. 62.5. That's the amount of money for overtime during that week. So the total is going to be the $35,000 regular pay plus $6,562.50 for the overtime, and then you do that calculation. All right, so that's going to be, that's 2. Let's put a 0.00 up here since you have 0.50 down here. 6 and 5 11. Carry 1, carry 1, 3 and 1 4. Person is going to be paid $41,462.50 total for that week, right? So that's it for that. Now we're going to be buying and selling dollars. Let's leave that for another video.